Today we're going to be diving into the wild and wacky world of ChatGPT. The amazing language model developed by OpenAI that allows you to have conversations with a computer, and it's guaranteed to be 100% more interesting than talking to your actual friends. If you're looking for a way to streamline or spice up your YouTube content and keep your audience engaged, you're in luck because we're going to quickly explore the capabilities of ChatGPT. What exactly is ChatGPT? And how can it be used to make money on YouTube? Simply put, ChatGPT is a program that uses artificial intelligence to generate text based on your input. It can be used to create entire video scripts and beyond. With ChatGPT on your side, the options for generating unique and engaging content are virtually endless. So, are you ready to set up your ChatGPT account and start creating incredible content for your YouTube channel? Here's what you need to do. First, head over to the OpenAI website and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide some personal information, and don't forget to agree to the terms of service. We don't want any trouble. The registration process is quick and easy, and before you know it, you'll be ready to chat with ChatGPT and start coming up with ideas for your next video. Using ChatGPT. Simply type in your first prompt into the chat box. Some examples of questions are shown and some safety limitations of the model are also listed. You could ask it to create 10 video ideas for the dog training niche, or to create a meal plan for men who are overweight, and then to convert that meal plan into a 1,000-word video script. Almost anything can be asked, so get creative. One way to use ChatGPT is by incorporating it into your video creation process. Whether you're looking to create video scripts or entire videos generated by the program, ChatGPT can help you come up with ideas and streamline your content creation process. You can also use ChatGPT to generate text for thumbnails, titles, and descriptions to help your videos stand out and get more views. But ChatGPT isn't just for creating new content, it can also help you manage and respond to comments on your videos. Let's face it, as a YouTuber, you're likely to receive a few comments from your audience. Responding to every single one can be time-consuming, but ChatGPT can help you automate this process and save time. Simply set up a prompt and let ChatGPT generate appropriate responses to common questions or comments. This not only saves you time, but also helps you keep up with your audience and maintain a strong community on your channel. In addition to using ChatGPT for video creation and comment management, you can also utilize the program to streamline other aspects of your YouTube business. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate email responses, create social media posts, or even come up with ideas for merchandise or other products to sell. The possibilities are endless, and with ChatGPT by your side, you'll have a powerful tool to help you efficiently run and grow your YouTube channel. Of course, to make the most of ChatGPT for YouTube, it's important to focus on creating high-quality content that engages your audience. Consistency is key, so make sure to stick to a regular posting schedule and use effective tags and titles to help people find your videos. With ChatGPT by your side, you'll have everything you need to create amazing content for your YouTube channel and make money while you're at it. So go ahead and give ChatGPT a try, we think you'll love it. Happy chatting!